Hey guys, yeah, you know what I mean. This is back. I don't know if you guys remember this or even ever played it, but it sucks. You can't see the map. You can't see how much damage you do to enemies. It's looking for the right word here. It's hell. Yeah, I'd say that describes it. Oh, I got the lights done. Oh yeah, I was looking at this. Monsters. Kevin. Well, obviously Kevin. And I. What the hell does this uncover exactly? I feel like this area and this strip right here, maybe like this area. Yeah, I feel like this area and this area hold the most secrets, by the way. Don't know why I'm talking about that. So I'm gonna be playing this, going through a bunch of pain, and if that doesn't deserve a like, I don't know what does, but yeah. Let me know if you guys like this new emote. I love it. It's great. I'm loving this. Saxy groove. Oh. Oh, that's music pack though. I got it. It's only 200 as well. Like, why would you not buy that? Oh. I love this loading screen so damn much. It's just so cinematic. At least this is solo. Duos and squads is... Duos is honestly maybe better just because then you have a teammate when you bot building. Touch. Ow! When you sweat in the lobby. That's how you sweat in the lobby, guys. Just in case you didn't know, you just shake your screen like that and keep pressing edit. Yeah. Sweating 101. I'm out of here. Such a good emo. Oh, and it doesn't tell you when you can jump either. I'm going straight to John Wake's house since I am John Wake. Yep. Dun 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 dun. Don't tell me there's someone else coming to John Wake's house. Like, that would just be so dumb. Oh, when did they get added? Were they always there? They can't have been. No, they were added to solar panels. A score! Oh my god, it's a score! I want that score. Thank you for the score. Yup. I got a score, guys. Or can you imagine if you didn't even see your health? Imagine how brutal that would be. You'd be like, oh my god, this guy just hit me. Oh, what do I do? I know, I'll heal. But what do I heal with? A slurp or a big pot? That's happened to me, by the way. Oh. Never drink the big pot. For, like, straight away. Oh, I'm going straight to the... I love this house. So damn much. I feel like ammo is probably really good for this. Don't know why, I just feel like it is. I just heard a metal door open. Oh! I'm gonna drink the big pot and then use my chug splashes. I know it's probably not the best course of action, but hey. At this point, what the hell is? Well, what do you mean, this point? Nothing's happened. Shut up. Okay? Shut up. By the way, you can break the floor there. It's supposed to be 3 chests, but sometimes you get none. Yeah, and also there's a fault finder in here, which I've already got on. Like that little file cabinet. You can also grab that if you're trying to get some fault bites done. Yeah. So. Yeah. Okay, I'll admit I kind of wish someone came here because it's just. Oh, I need to get to the middle of the map, but I can't tell where exactly it is. But I got a hoverboard. Holy crap! Bro, vehicles in this game mode are actually matter. Yeah, because you can't see when the storm's coming. So you could just use a vehicle, sorry. A llama! This guy probably see that as well. That was painful. But alright, I think I'm gonna throw the storm ship. They kind of buffed it, so it does like 5 damage now. It's hard to tell whether that's a buff or enough, but yeah. Oh my god, it reaches so damn far. Look at that. Yeah, that's right, boy. Yeah, how you like them apples? My llama. Yeah. Oh, it's one hit. One shit. One hit. That's what I said. Ah! You guys didn't hear that, right? That wasn't actual noise. That was just my imagination. Right? Please? Okay, I see him. Well, I don't see him anymore, but I saw him. Or her. You know. There he is. I love the combat shotty too damn much. Why? Oh my. You are. Please tell me that was my kill. You can't even tell how many kills you have. Switch these around. How? Bruh, if you're gonna like break the wall, break the damn wall. No! Combat! No! Yeah, I got 2 kills. You can tell, because when you die, it says how many kills you got. Alright, yeah, I'll take it. 2 kills. I thought he stole that kill on the other guy. So yeah, that's barebones. It can be really fun, but it can also be really unfun. I kind of like it, though. I mean, I don't like it, but I like the aspect of you can't see how much damage you do to people. I hate that. I also love it because it's like, oh, because I feel like this is probably what the only way to tell if you hit someone is by the sound of it hitting them. I don't know what I'm trying to say. It's good because it's more tense. It really makes you think more. So you can't just go brat brat and spray and pray. You gotta actually, you know, do something with your life. It's good. I like it. Drum guns suck though. I swear, I used them in a game just before. How? Like, that makes no sense. Hey guys, I'm just sweat real quick. Look at these edits, man. Those are so insane. Yeah. So insane. It's like I didn't even edit it. I just tried to get to the map. I pressed. Oh my god. Oh, what? We can jump already? I don't like this. I don't like how you can't see the map. They should. I feel like if they gave you the mini map, but just not the actual map, that'd be kind of cool. It means you can't tell when you get to like that minimum height where you've got to deploy as well. So it's just so different. I love it, and I hate it. And I love it, but I also hate it. Don't forget that bit. But I do also love it. Yeah. Bro, what's up with all the campfires today? There was one over there where I got the shotgun. There was one here. In the last game, I found like 3. What the hell is up with them? Let's do this. As soon as I look this bit here. How? Can't see the health on anything. See, there's the campfire. Wow, that guy got shredded. Sadly, I kind of did as well. Drink! It won't let me drink! What the hell? It wouldn't let me drink. Okay, I'm sorry, but really, dude, you're gonna dance on me? See, I can understand dancing on people when you get the win, but it's just so toxic dancing on people when you kill them. Like, I've never done it. I think I tried it once, but I just... It's like, you gotta kill well done. And if you even go on BCC, great channel by the way. Okay, but like, it's always the same music and you get boring after a little bit. I always just watch what the title says. That's it. But yeah. Like, you can still use this, but you can't remove it. You literally can't remove it. I'm dying inside. Oh my god, my aim is so bad. What happened to my flick shots? I swear to god, I don't suck. I follow. I mean... I'm a terrible, 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 terrible person. Do I have that? I have that. Like, I used to be so good at flick shots. Yesterday, to be fair, I like... This is my this is my, like, 3rd game today, so... You know. Cut me some slack. But yeah. Oh yeah, what do you guys think is gonna happen for the summer event? Apparently there's gonna be like some 14 days of summer where every day something gets unvaulted, so Zapatron might be unvaulted. And you know the you know, I found something out. I don't know if anyone else has. Probably have, knowing the people who do like, oh my god guys, no way, but yeah. Let the streams begin. But you guys know guys no I always forget what I'm gonna say and I hate myself so much. Oh my god. I'm so good at this game. Oh, I don't have the tomato head emote yet. What? What? No. Ooh, suppress pistol. Honestly, super underrated. Like damage, for a pistol. 26. It's pretty damn good. And I have challenged to get eliminations with pistol. Oh, and also AR. But we just... I swear to God, my mouse has moved. I need to just readjust it down. Right. Honestly, alright, what I'm about to say probably sound a little weird, but I don't know what you guys have your loadout like. Because I remember a while ago, everyone was like, oh, you have such a weird loadout. What the hell is that? So I'm just like curious. What are your guys' loadout? I'm not like trying to crap on them or anything. I want to know what the average Minty Cajun viewer loadout is like. Because I have shotgun, follow-up, then AR. But a lot of people say, oh, that's so weird, you have AR, shotgun, follow-up, or something like that. So I'm just curious. So like, hit me up in my DMs and we can talk. Just pop some 90s real quick. Oh yeah. That's how sweats land. Like that. Why can I actually picture them doing that? That can't be good. Bruh. Really? Bruh, I swear, stick mobs are just better now. I need more mats. I don't have the mats for this. Where is he? Where'd he go? Hey, one of you should escape, you know, come through here. And that sounds like a fight one of you is probably losing. Oh, he just fell out. Or jumped out. Probably jumped. Yeah, that seems more likely. Why does no one want to fight? I get that he was probably low, but still. This is just bullying. Boy! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. How you like them apples? Yeah. Thank you for the chug bow. Did I say bow? What the hell is bow? Oh. Bro, Flipknot's broken. It's like, it's one of the new metas. Flipknot. Oh, I hate it when you just land and you shoot someone with a shotgun for 73, aka Blue Combat, at body shot, and then they just one flint you to the face. I'm gonna call it one flint. I want the pump back. I missed the one pump. Hit that like button and subscribe if you want the pump back. I really want to know what it'd be like to see just like fights between Pump and Combat. Pump I feel like would win in close range if you had a follow-up, like the burst SMG or a drum gun or AR or something. But Combat obviously would win at long range. It's like a better heavy shotgun. But I really like the heavy shotgun. I swear they buffed it before it was vaulted. Did I just actually do that? I just... dying inside. Oh, person? Where are you, random person? Where are you, bro? Oh, big ball. Down with the flow, Jim, yo. Oh my god! I'm gonna kill that nice person. I want to get down there for the big pot. Yeah, you suck, bro. Oh my god. Oh, I get a little toxic when I get a kill. When I'm on low health. I guess that wasn't really that low health, but shut up. Okay? Shut up. I'm gonna take that, it's broken. Like, actually, it is. Where are the campfires when I need them? Wait, do I even... Oh, launch pad at a trap, I had no idea. Learn something new every day, huh? Ooh! Is this Peely's banana stand? I need to find Peely's banana stand. I need to cross the road. Using Cluck Strut, but I don't know where it is. I'm guessing this is it. But they're frying stuff. So it can't be it. Peely, where you damn it? Yeah, that's Nugget Hut. Peely, where you damn it? Oh, over there, okay. Please tell me someone else here is confused. Why there's always damn ballers just flying across. Oh! Look, this is... I was about to say, look, there's a baller, that's a guy. I swear I'm not an idiot. I would shoot, but I kind of want to save my ammo. Me ammo. Are you sure about that? I swear, rocket ammo drop rate is fun time. Like, I can't remember the last time I actually just found the rocket ammo on the floor. Really? I swear I don't suck. Bot wall. Welcome to bot wars, where bots fight each other in a war, and they can't think of a better name than bot wars. This guy had 8 rocket ammo. My guy is coming out. No, drop that. I have 4 traps. Bro, that guy was stacked on traps. Bro, look at this Sato breaking it down. I respect him. Because I'm also a Sato. Bruh, why? Oh, we hit those. Oh, it tells you how many enemies are remaining? Oh! 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 I never knew that! That's epic! Where's my hoverboard? I think it's over here, right? Yeah, it's over there. Thinking I might just slide into some serious DMs. I'm not so sure. Bro, look. Looky here. You already know this kid's gonna have 200 health overall. No. Just gonna. Oh my god, the storm! Hey, Cheeky! Cheeky, bow, Cheeky! When you turn into an anime go, when the storm's coming. Oh my god, please, don't you dare start lasering me out the sky like all sweats do. Like this video if you hate that. Jesus Christ, dude! This actual guy, man. Is it weird that I respect him? Just let me heal. I'm out of mats! I'm out of mats! Oh, I had 3 kills. No! This absolute guy. Look at that loot. Oh. Oh my god, I just want to die. The minigun spam in this game mode. But how did I run out of mats? I had so many. That's gonna do it all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and this game. Oh, my foot's gone numb. Oh, well, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.